Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see top quotes on Independence Day. Number 1. Forget not that the grossest crime is to compromise with injustice and wrong. Remember the eternal law. You must give if you want to get. Subhas Chandra Bose. Number 2. A country's greatness lies in its undying ideal of love and sacrifice that inspires the mother of the race. Sarojini Naidu. Number 3. It is easy to kill individuals, but you cannot kill the ideas. Great empires crumbled while the ideas survived. Bhagat Singh. Number 4. Let new India arise out of a peasant's cottage and grasping the plough out of huts, cobbler and sweeper. Swami Vivekananda. 5. So long as you do not achieve social liberty, whatever freedom is provided by the law is of no avail to you. B.R. Ambedkar. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Meet you with another interesting video.